Aloha, welcome. My name is Judy Boyd and I'm with Ohana in Paradise Real Estate Group. Today we are visiting this beautiful condo on the south shore of Maui in Kihei and would love to show you around. So let's get started. This condo has great open floor plan. It's so beautiful, it's ready for your vacation rental or ready for you to occupy as your home. Let's have a look. Look at this kitchen. It's been completely remodeled with nice cabinets, beautiful countertops, and look at this beautiful backsplash. It actually matches the color of the ocean, so how cool is that? And you've got the open concept here. So it's wide open, right into the balcony, straight right into your view. Let's have a look at the bedrooms. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, so each bedroom has their own baths. And have a look at this. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Imagine you or your guests would be waking up to this beautiful view of the ocean. Beautiful view of the West Maui, and you can also see Lanai, the island of Lanai, from your bedroom. This bedroom has its own balcony. You are on the 6th floor, so this is actually a penthouse. It's so gorgeous, it's so magnificent. Look at this view. You can watch the sunset all year long. And it's whale season too, so who knows, you might get lucky and see some whales out there. And right through here, off of your living room, is another bedroom with its own bathroom. Again, waking up to a magnificent view of the ocean. Literally, this condo has ocean views from every room, from your living room to the 2 bedrooms. You can't go wrong. And look, there's birds flying all over the place. Thanks for joining us today. This property is available at $899. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the south shore of Maui in Kihei. If you're interested in purchasing properties here on Maui, please find us at ohanainparadise.com and follow us on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. Aloha.